Dear Mr. Hoover, I would like to congratulate you on your fine vacuum products. They really suck. Haha. That was just a joke. But I have a serious matter to discuss. A friend of mine recently tried to use one of your fine vacuums as a sex aid of sorts. Because of the strong suction on your vacuum cleaner, he remained quite tumescent and was unable to extricate himself from the vacuum hose for several hours of effort. He finally had to drive himself and the vacuum cleaner to the emergency room. For reasons I won't go into here, the inner workings of the vacuum cleaner are now completely ruined. Under the circumstances, I think it is only fair that you provide a replacement vacuum cleaner. If you want, you can send it to me and I will give it to my friend. Sincerely yours, Ralph. P.S. Please be more careful in the future. Perhaps you should provide some sort of warning label.